Hey, so if you want your meetings to automatically create Zoom links without doing anything manually, yeah, connecting Calendly with Zoom is the easiest setup. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to sync them for free in 2026. First thing, log into your Calendly account. Make sure you're on your main dashboard. Next, go to Integrations or Apps. So, this is where you connect tools like Zoom. All right, find Zoom and click Connect. I mean, this links your video meeting system to Calendly. Now sign in to your Zoom account. Use the same account you use for meetings. Next, allow permissions. So Calendly needs access to create Zoom meetings automatically for you. All right, go to your event type and set Zoom as the meeting location. I mean, this ensures every booking gets a Zoom link. And yeah, do a test booking. Check if the Zoom link is automatically generated in your calendar invite. So that's how you sync Calendly with Zoom for free. Once it's set up, every meeting gets a Zoom link automatically.